Which country won the 2025 Asia Cup in cricket? A. Pakistan. B. India. C. Sri Lanka. D. Bangladesh. Answer: B. India. Where were the first Khelo India Beach Games held? A. Goa. B. Diu, Gogla Beach. C. Kerala. D. Gujarat. Answer: B. Diu, Gogla Beach. Which team won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 final? A. India. B. England. C. New Zealand. D. Australia. Answer: A. India. Operation Abhyas is related to A. Nuclear test. B. Civil defense mock drill. C. Road safety mission. D. Army recruitment. Answer: B. Civil defense mock drill. Who became India's #1 chess player in FIDE rankings, 2025? A. R. Pragnanandha. B. D. Gukesh. C. Arjun Eragesi. D. Vishwanathan Anand. Answer: A. R. Pragnanandha. Who won gold for India in World Para Athletics Championships 2025? A. Simran and Nishad Kumar. B. Neeraj Chopra and Avinash Sable. C. Hema Das and Manu Baker. D. Anju George and Rani Rampal. Answer: A. Simran and Nishad Kumar. India won the ISSA Award 2025 for A. Space exploration. B. Social security coverage. C. Digital education. D. Sports excellence. Answer: B. Social security coverage. What was the theme of Aravalli Summit 2025? A. India and World Order, preparing for 2047. B. Sustainable future for India. C. Digital India by 2030. D. Climate action now. Answer: A. India and World Order, preparing for 2047. RBI governor recently said India can withstand A. Natural disasters. B. Global economic challenges. C. Oil shortages. D. Population rise. Answer: B. Global economic challenges. Tropex 25 is A. A festival in Gujarat. B. A naval operational exercise. C. A space exploration mission. D. An education program. Answer: B. A naval operational exercise. What record did India witness in Navratri 2025? A. Highest rainfall. B. Highest sales in a decade. C. Highest gold imports. D. Highest cricket attendance. Answer: B. Highest sales in a decade. Who was appointed as captain of Madhya Pradesh Ranji team, 2025-26? A. Venkatesh Iyer. B. Rajat Patidar. C. Avsh Khan. D. Naman Oja. Answer: B. Rajat Patidar. Which country is known as the world's largest democracy? A. United States of America. B. United Kingdom. C. India. D. Brazil. Answer: C. India. India's solar power installed capacity, 2025, has crossed A. 50 gigawatts. B. 75 gigawatts. C. 100 gigawatts. D. 150 gigawatts. Answer: C. 100 gigawatts. India plans to achieve 100 gigawatts nuclear power capacity by A. 2030. B. 2035. C. 2040. D. 2047. Answer: D. 2047. The main greenhouse gas responsible for global warming is A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. India was elected to which body during the 25th Asian Regional Conference of Interpol, 2025? A. Interpol Executive Committee, B. Interpol General Assembly Bureau, C. Interpol Financial Crimes Task Force, D. Interpol Asian Committee. Answer D. Interpol Asian Committee. Which campaign was launched to improve agriculture ties between India and Brazil? A. Krishi Mitra, B. Maitri 2.0, C. Agribharat, D. Green India Alliance. Answer: B. Maitri 2.0. Where was the Mahakumbh Mela 2025 organized? A. Haridwar, B. Prayagraj, C. Nashik, D. Ujjain. Answer: B. Prayagraj. Which organization awards the ISSA award? A. UNESCO, B. UNDP, C. International Social Security Association, D. WHO. Answer: C. International Social Security Association.